Hello?
Hello? Sir, your voice nice, man. No, sir, man.
Man, your voice nice, man. You have a nice voice.
Name Sophia. What your name?
Right now my name is Joe, you know. Joe, then call me, you know. Me popular name, you know me, you know.
Joe. Oh, that is a nice name.
I know, no, your voice nice. Your voice nice, no. Why, when me could have meet you right now, no. You sound like the Queen of England, you know.
Thanks, sir.
What can you say, man? Of course, yeah, man.
You can search me on Facebook. My name is Sophia Blink.
Okay, so if we can search and
You can meet me at Dimitri at OG.
alright, that me I go do. Okay, alright, today man, maybe the next hour me come me a come. Me kill and business at the end. Me I tell you, man. Right now me a drop me I tell you, yeah.
Alright.
Yes, babe. Yeah, man. You could have me no, you know. You could have me.
Yes, so I said, you can't do that. How dare you?
I can't decide. I can't. No, sir. I can't. No, sir. I can't. The woman, a pill thing. It's a pill thing. I can't. It's a woman that can me, no, man. John, no star. I can't be so I get a can again, no, dog. And next man time you out again. No, man.
I'm going to call the man here. Come like I used to do. Come go along me wait for the man.
Hello?
Oh,
So, are you?
yes, man.
So, are you tell me say you name Sophia?
Yeah, I'm named Sophia.
So how you brown on your profile and you say you look so yeah, how much?
Me actually.
12. You mean say 12?
Yes.
12 year old, 12. Jesus Christ. So are you remember that there?
Wait.
Look right up there, so. Jesus Christ, I prison what that master.
Kuya, the man gone.